Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So we will continue the application of derivatives problem. I hope you remember we are in tangent and normal. So we already solved so many problems in this exercise, where we've got slope of the tangent, slope of the normal, find the points on the curve where tangent is something, slope of the tangent is something. So it's a continuation of part of that. So today we are going to solve, as a first question, find the equation of tangent and normal to the given curve, indicated points, at the indicated points. First curve is y is equal to x cube minus x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0 comma 5. See, it's a direct simple question. We need equation of tangent and normal. Point is given, so whenever this is missing, the problem part will be difficult. This is given implies the solution part is very easy. So what we should do first, we should differentiate the given curve. What is the given curve? Y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. So it's direct differentiation, no chain rule, quotient rule, product rule, simple direct differentiation. So tell me what is the differentiation? Yes, differentiation is 4 into x cube minus 18 into x square plus 26 into x minus 10. Differentiation of 5 will be 0 because it is a constant. So we need now to get the equation of tangent, slope of the tangent where at 0 comma 5. So for this expression, replace x by 0, y by 5. But y expression is not, y term is not there in this expression, right? Y term is not there in this expression implies no need to substitute y, just substitute x is equal to 0. So tell me what you will get. If you substitute dy by dx, at x equal to 0, it will be 4x cube into, 4 into 0 cube, that is 0. Even next term will be 0, third term will be 0, last term will remain, which is minus 10. So this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. So only one term is remaining, which is minus 10. So what does this represent? Slope of the tangent to the curve. This represent slope of the tangent to the curve. So it's minus 10. But it is not over. They didn't ask the find slope of the tangent. They asked find equation of the tangent. So when you know slope, how to get equation? See, you know one more information, the point. So which is required? Slope point form. You require now slope point form to get the equation of tangent that I'm going to use in the next slide. So what is required? Equation of the tangent at the point 0 comma 5. So you know slope point form, y minus y1 equal to slope into x minus x1. x1 y1 ko tera slope gottide, so just substitute and simplify. So what you will get? Yes, everything is known, just now told. So y minus y1 equal to minus 10 into x minus x1, and 0. So y minus 5 is equal to minus 10x. Since that is minus, right hand side is minus, take into left hand side, become plus 10x plus y hage barate minus 5 hage barate. So what does this represent? Equation of the tangent to the given curve at the point 0 comma 5. So this represents equation of tangent. In this question, one more question is there, equation of normal. So to find out equation of the normal, find out first slope of the normal. How slope of the normal and slope of the tangent are related? Maybe you remember they are perpendicular to each other. So product of slope is equal to minus 1. Therefore slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is here. What is that? Minus 10. So slope of the tangent is minus 10. Substitute, you will get 1 by 10 because minus minus cancel, you will get 1 by 10. What does it represent? Slope of the normal. So once again, normal is perpendicular to tangent. So point is same. Point, the common point for the tangent and normal is same. That is 0 comma 5. So point will be same. x1 y1 is 0 comma 5. What is slope? Now m is equal to 1 by 10. So substitute in the slope point form. That is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This m is now 1 by 10. x1 y1 is same as that of the first case. Substitute. In barate y minus 5 is equal to 1 by 10 into x minus 0. Alva? Y minus 5 is equal to 1 by 10 into x minus 0. So substitute, then cross multiply 10y minus 50 is equal to x, right? Since right hand side is positive, so bring everything from left hand side. So it become x minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0. What does this represent? Equation of normal to the given curve. Okay, so this represent equation of the normal. Artha aita? Idon direct simple question. So point kottidre always the problem will be easy. Point, if it is given in the question, easy to solve. I hope you understood. Very good. Artha aita alva? Yes. Next question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is, okay, first case, parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. See, this is actually not difficult but very very important. Okay, so almost into the one question solved ಮಾಡಿದೆ previous part ಅಲ್ಲಿ, where we find out the points on the curve. Here one extra work is required, equation of the tangent. So one problem ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೀವು solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು as a homework problem. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes. So let me start by taking the function and its differentiation. So consider the function y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. So you know this is very very easy to differentiate. So differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. Constant of the differentiation 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So only 2x minus 2. See, to find out equation of tangent, we need two information. One is the point and the slope, but both are missing. Point ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, slope ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. But slope, because of this, is easy to get. Okay, even if it is not given directly, we can find out within a fraction of seconds. So but slope of point on the curve is not easy to get. Okay, that already you had experience in the previous part, so we will repeat the same thing, okay, now for this particular problem. Okay, so this is the simple part, 1 mark siktade. Remember, if you not understand anything about any problem in application derivatives, ನೀವು ಏನು curve ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ differentiation ಮಾಡಿ 1 mark ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಹಾ, so differentiation is ready, that is 2x minus 2. Now, okay, we need the point. To find out the point, we should use this condition. The tangent is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, you know this represents slope of the tangent to the curve. Now the tangent is parallel to x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 alva, and also you know that when two lines are parallel, slopes are equal alva. When two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Tangent e line ಗೆ parallel ಆಗಿದೆ. So what happened? Slope of this line is also equal to slope of the tangent. Now what is lines? Okay, that just now explain. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus a by b. So therefore, what is slope of this line, which is given in the question, that is 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Slope of this line is minus 2 by minus 1 and plus 2. So slope of this line will be equal to 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now what is given? Tangent is parallel to this line, so slope of the tangent is also equal to 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್? Tangent is parallel to this line ಅಂದ್ರೆ slope of the tangent must be is equal to slope of this line. How to get slope of this line? Minus a by b. So because of that it is 2. So slope of the tangent is also equal to 2. ಇಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Already we have an expression for slope of the tangent in the previous slide. What is that? 2x minus 2. So what we should do? We should equate 2x minus 2 with 2. So equate 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. So minus 2 you will bring this side. Okay, so cancel agate. X is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So this is x coordinate of the point. This represents x coordinate of the point. Now we have to get y coordinate of this point. Okay, using the value of x is equal to 2. Using the value of x is equal to 2, we have to get the y coordinate of the point. So ಎಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? equation of line ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ, you should not substitute in the equation of the line, you should substitute in the equation of the curve. ಇದು parallel ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದು this is no need that is a line on this curve. Okay, so you have to substitute in the equation of the curve. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. y is equal to 4 minus 4 plus 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 4 minus 4 cancel, so only 7. Correct? So we got the y coordinate of the point. So therefore the point where you draw the tangent which is parallel to this line is 2,7. Is 2,7. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂತು? Point ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, slope ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So what is asked? Find equation of the tangent. So that is now very very easy to find out. So therefore equation of the tangent to the curve at 2,7 with the slope 2. Actually tangent is parallel to that line. So now we need slope point form to write the equation of the tangent. So what is the equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. What it represent? Slope point form. Okay, substitute the value of m as well as x1 y1. So we'll get y minus 7 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Correct? So y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. So right hand side is positive, bring everything from left hand side. So 2x minus y, okay, plus minus 4 from this side, plus 7 equal to 0. So that is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So we got equation of the tangent to the given curve which is parallel to the given line. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ tangent to the curve which is perpendicular to the line. That is your work. Okay, I'm not going to display the answer. Similar pattern, only one the difference is when two lines are perpendicular, their product of slope equal to -1. ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the line. But in the next case, slope of the line, okay, is not equal to slope of the tangent. Their product is -1. Okay, just you are using that. So that answer I will not display. Please remember that it's a homework part. Understood? So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ for 3 marks. Remember that. So second case, as I told, it's a homework problem. Okay, next question number 16. Okay, show that the tangent to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the point where x equal to 2 and x is equal to -2 are parallel. Okay, this is a little different compared to the previous problem. See, here you have to prove something, you have to show that something. Here the 2 points are given and you have to prove that when you draw 2 different tangents to the curve at the 2 different points, they must be parallel. They must be parallel. When you say that 2 lines are parallel, yeah, when 2 slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. So only our work here is find out the slope of the tangent to this curve at 2 different points and show that they are equal. That's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? So only you have to find out the equation of the tangents to this curve at 2 different points and show that they are equal. If you prove that slopes are equal, you prove 2 lines are parallel. So concept ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Note down the solution. So consider the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11, okay, and differentiate it. So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 21x square plus 0, because 11 is a constant, its differentiation is 0. Now we need slope of this tangent to this curve at 2 as well as at x equal to -2. Okay, how to get that? Replace x by 2 and -2. First 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, yeah, so it is 84. Correct? What is the present slope of the tangent to the curve at the point x is equal to 2? Correct? So at x equal to 2 is 84. Again ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you have to prove that even at x equal to -2 you will get the same answer. If you get the same answer, problem is done. Okay, so dy by dx at x equal to -2, yes, it's same, right? Because of square -2 plus 2, but there is no difference in that. So again slope of the tangent at -2 is also 84. That's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ because concept ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So from 1 and 2, what we can write from 1 and 2? Slope of the tangent to the curve at x equal to 2 is equal to slope of the tangent to the curve at x equal to -2. Why? Slopes are equal. Because slopes are equal, definitely 2 lines are parallel. So remember, to prove lines are parallel, you have to prove that slopes are equal, and we did that, okay, in this particular problem. Very simple, please remember that. Understood? Yes, next question. Find the equation of the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which, okay, the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. This is also one new type of question which up to now we didn't get in this exercise. It's a different question. Okay, observe carefully. Read again the question. Find the points on the curve and their points find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. At which slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. See, up to now you solved some problem where slope of the tangent is equal to some number, one number 2 3 something like that. But till slope of the tangent, the dy by dx is equal to a variable, that is the y coordinate of the point. We don't know what is that. If we take as y, then dy by dx is equal to y. So because of this reason, this work is little different. So I will show you how to answer this. Observe carefully. So in the differentiation part, y is equal to x cube, it's just very simple part. Okay, so but remember we have to find out the point. So you take the required point as x comma y. You take the required point as x comma y. Now consider the curve y is equal to x cube. As usual, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is differentiation? 3x square, right? Here differentiation of y with respect to x is 3x square. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ as x, 5. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ dy by dx is equal to 3x square. ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ is equal to the y coordinate. ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ is 3x square and it is equal to y coordinate ಅಲ್ವಾ? y coordinate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? y coordinate ಏನು? y ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. Yeah, this is given. So dy by dx is equal to y implies 3x square is equal to y. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? Slope of the tangent is dy by dx, and that we got after differentiation 3x square. It is given that that is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So 3x square is equal to y. So let it be 1. Now using this data we have to find out the coordinates of the point. That means we have to find out the value of x and y. See in ಹೇಗೆ proceed ಆಗೋದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Only we have to use this and the curve. Can you tell me how to get the x and y? Yes, right, you guessed properly. You know, we have y is equal to x cube as the equation of the curve. Definitely can use it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ you can solve those equations. So now you have to solve these two equations. When you solve these two equations, definitely you will get the point which is a common point for tangent as well as the curve. So how to solve? Observe this carefully. Y is equal to x cube is equation number 2. x3x square is equal to y is equal to is equation number 1. Solve and then ಎರಡು side y ಇದೆ, so directly equate. So we can write, okay, 3x square is equal to x cube. This implies x cube minus 3x square is equal to 0. I hope you know, okay. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಚೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. So which is a common in both term? Definitely x square will be the common term, so you will get like this. When product of two number is 0, one of them definitely is equal to 0. So which will be 0 now? Here either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3, because 0 ಇದ್ದ x equal to 0 ಆದಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x equal to 3 ಆದಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? 0 ಆದಾಗಲೂ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x equal to 3 ಆದಾಗಲೂ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So these are both possible. So x equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು y, ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ equate 3x square is equal to x cube. So I hope you understood this solution. Correct? Okay. Now as you know, there are two cases here. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 are the two different cases, and in both cases we have to find out the values of y. Now when x is equal to 0, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Okay, y is equal to x, curve ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲ. You should substitute in the curve. What is that curve? Y is equal to x cube. So substitute x is equal to 0, you'll get y is also equal to 0. So one common point between the tangent and the curve is 0, 0. Similarly, you have to find out another point. Okay, when x is equal to 3, substitution simplifications will be very simple. So 3 cube, which is 27. So another common point between the curve and the tangent is 3, 27. ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Tell me. Nothing, just writing the final answer. In equation of tangent and normal ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. They just ask find the points on the curve where slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the curve. So simply don't waste your time by writing the equation of tangent and normal. It is not asked. So write the conclusion. Therefore points which are required or which are asked in this problem is 0, 0 and 3, 27. Did you understand what I'm telling? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ tangent and normal definitely ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೆಯೋ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. So just they ask find the points on the curve. ಇದು important 3 marks ಬರೋ problem. Remember it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Shall I move next question? Very good. Question number 18. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 at which the tangent are parallel to x axis. This is homework ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, because when the tangent is parallel to x axis, you know its slope is equal to 0. So then differentiation ಮಾಡಿ equate with 0, you will get the answer. Shall I leave this as a homework problem? I hope you can do it. Okay, thank you.